Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is The Running Machine. Today is Lecture 3. Under the title of Grammar, we'll learn to use has and have, and we'll cover page number 32 of your book. Previously in Grade 1, I have taught you about words showing possession, my, your, his, her. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. So we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to use has and have to show possession. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255, to him, Allah, belongs whatever is in the heavens and earth. Yes, my dear children, whatever is in the heavens and in earth, whose possession is this? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whatever we do, whatever we are, it's Allah's blessing Allah has given us. Even we are under the possession of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So everything belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is the concept of possession which we are going to learn further. As I have taught you in class 1, this is her doll. Okay, here is a doll and this girl. So this doll belongs to her. This is one way to write it. This is her doll. But we can write it in another way. She has a doll. So here this word has is showing that this doll belongs to this girl. Right? So these are the same concept with different expression. Okay? This sentence, this is her doll and she has a doll. Both are telling this doll belongs to this girl. But we can write it in this way. She has a doll. Okay? So only the expression, whatever language we are using to say or to write a sentence, we can express it in different ways. There are a variety of expressions. This is what we are learning. So previously we learned in this way, this is her doll, and now in grade 2 you are learning she has a doll. This is an other way to express that this doll belongs to this girl. Are you clear? Okay, I'm going to show you another example. This is our car. Like this car is ours. All right. This is one way to tell it. And the other way, we have a car. In present, we are telling we have a car. Means this car belongs to us. This is our car. This belongs to us. We own this car. Are you getting it? So this is how we use these words has and have. But when to use have and when to use has, we have to learn it. So use of has. Has is used for singulars. Means a boy, Ali, Sarah, a girl, he, any boy, she, any girl, or it, maybe a living or non-living thing. When it's a singular naming word, we use has. And we use have. Have is used for plurals. And we know very well plural means more than one naming words. For example, Ali and Sarah. Now they are two, more than one. Or they, right? Sarah and I, more than one. Sarah and I, two. Or we. So if it's more than one, it's plurals, we will use have. With you, we always use have. Okay? Because you we use for singular and plural both. So with you we always use have, and I is the only singular substitution word with which we use have. You got it? I have made a table so that you can learn it. How do we do it? Ali has a bat. Sarah has a doll. He has a bat. She has a doll. Dog has a tail. It has a tail. This is how these are the singular naming words, and we use has to show its position. Now, my dear teachers, pause the video over here and make their children to read it again and again so that they can comprehend where to use has. And I want to remind you, along with this video lecture, in description box links are given for lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Now pause the video and practice this slide. Yes, my dear children, are you done with practicing has? Okay, now it's time to practice have. Where do we use have? Ali and Sarah, because they are plural naming words, they are more than one, have a bicycle. They have a bicycle. Sarah and I have a teddy bear. We have a teddy bear. You have a toy car. And I have a book. This is how these are the naming words with which we use have. Now again, pause the video and practice where to use have. Okay, pause it and enjoy it. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? That's good. Now it's time to practice the concept which we learnt. Now open your book on page number 32. All of you open your book and now let's practice. What your book is asking for, has and have. So complete the following sentences by using has or have. Now you have to read this sentence and you have to identify either to use has or have over here. Now the sentence is she dash a bag, means this bag she. Now for showing possession for a singular, for a she, what do we use? Has or have? Yes, good. So we have to write has over here. Okay, she has a bag. Good job. Likewise, there are sentences. Look at the picture, read the sentence and fill in the blank by using has or have. So be careful. Pause the video and complete these sentences. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Very good. These all sentences were there on page number 32. You've practiced it. Now you understand where to use has and have. So it's time for your homework. You have to write 10 sentences. Yes, teachers, you may give sentences according to your class caliber where they have to use has or have. All right. And here I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, dear teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and this worksheet link is given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it and give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And my dear students, what you are supposed to do? Circle the correct word of possession. So here is the sentence and there are two options, has and have given. You have to circle the correct option according to the sentence. Hope you will enjoy it. Also color this worksheet. And what we have learned so far, we learned to use has to show possession for singular naming words, and we learned to use have to show possession for plural naming words. We learned to use have to show possession for you, and we learned to use have to show possession for I. So this is what we learned, and in this way we achieved our today's SLO, that is to use has and have to show possession. Are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.